Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 1605. Find value matrix given row and column sums. And in this we'll be given two various row sum and column sum of non-negative integers, where row sum I is the sum of elements in the ith row and column sum j is the sum of the elements of the jth column of a 2D matrix. In other words, we don't know the elements of the matrix, but we know the sum of each row and each column. We have to find the matrix of non-negative integers of size row sum dot length to column sum dot length that satisfy the row sum and column sum requirements, and we have to return a 2D array representing any matrix that fulfills the requirement, and it is guaranteed that at least one of the matrix fulfills the requirement exists. Okay, for example, we are given the row sum as 3 8 and the column sum is what's this? Oh, okay, so okay, it's not on the screen, but I was shown up with a pop-up. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so for example, we are having row sum as 3 8 and the column sum is 4 7. And then the metric comes out with this, because if we'll check the column sum of first should be 4, so 3 plus 1, that comes to 4. The row sum of the first row should be 3, that's true. 3 plus 0 is 3. Then the row sum of second row should be 8, and it's true. 1 and 7, and the column sum of second column should be 7, it's true. So that's why this is our possible answer. So for the next test case, we are having something like kind of this. The row sums are 5 7 10 and the column sums are 8 6 and 8. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's have firstly variable m that is equal to the row sum dot length, meaning the number of rows, and n that is equal to the column sum dot length, meaning the number of columns. And let's have our answer array and answer matrix, sorry, that is equal to new int of size m cross n. Okay, and let's have two pointers, int I equal to 0 comma j is also equal to 0, and then while I is less than m and j is less than n. Okay, so what we'll be doing is we'll be having the value which we have to put at that particular place, and that will be the minimum of row sum I comma column sum I call sum, or whatever you can say. And then we'll be doing the answer I j, that will be equal to my value, and then I'll be subtracting this particular value from the row sum as well as the column sum minus equal to value. Okay, and column sum minus equal to value, oh sorry, column sum minus equal to value. And here I'll be saying that if at any point any of this becomes 0, if let's say row sum of I is equal to 0, in that case I'll be moving my I pointer. Else if column sum j is equal to 0, in that case I'll be moving my j pointer. Okay, and at the end I'll have to just return the answer matrix. And now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, row sum I j, oh my bad, I, and here it should be j. Now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, strange, it shows me a wrong answer. Column sum j is equal to 0. Answer I j is equal to val column sum j. Oh, okay, column sum j, sorry, my bad. Yeah, now let's give it a run and get accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.